Tip 1. Check the ring or silent mode. The ring or silent button is on the left side of the iPhone. Check it. If it shows the orange line, it means your iPhone is set to silent mode and you need to switch it up to enable the ring mode. After that, you can check if this fixes the iPhone sound no working issue or not. Tip 2. Turn up iPhone volume. You can try to increase the volume of iPhone to see if you can hear the sound from iPhone. To do so, you need to unlock your iPhone at first, or it won't work when iPhone is locked. Then launch any app that has music or sound effect like games, and press the volume up button to increase iPhone's sound. Or you can increase the iPhone volume by swiping up the volume slider on iPhone Control Center. Settings, sound, and haptics. Tip 3. Disable Bluetooth. Sometimes you may use a Bluetooth speaker or headset and forget to turn off the Bluetooth feature on your iPhone, which may be the reason because iPhone has no sound. To disable Bluetooth, you can go to Settings Bluetooth and switch off Bluetooth feature. Or you can also disable the Bluetooth feature by swiping up the iPhone screen and tapping the Bluetooth icon to make it dim. Tip 4. Plug in or out earphone. To get rid of this problem, you can try to use your earphones to plug them into and out from the headset jack for a few times, aiming at get the loose wire back to normal. Many users have fixed their phone with this method. Tip 5. Reboot your iPhone. Just press and hold the sleep or wake button and the home button at the same time till an Apple logo appears on the screen. Then press the sleep or wake button, only to turn on iPhone again. This will erase all the loading glitches and caches, including iPhone has no sound. Tip 6. Clean speaker holes and charging port. If there are too much dust or dirt covering the speaker holes, your iPhone may have no sound too. To clean it, you can make use of a hairdryer to blow the dust off the speaker holes and charging port. Or you can also use a dry and clean toothbrush or toothpick to remove the dust out from the holes. Tip 7. Software update for iPhone. Connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network and a power source as well. Go to Settings, General Software Update on your iPhone. If there is an available software update, tap Download and Install or Install Now option to get the latest software on your iPhone now. Tip 8. Restore iPhone by factory reset. Note: this will erase all settings and contents from your iPhone, so you need to create a backup on your iPhone in case of data lost. Go to Settings, General, Reset, Erase all content and settings on your iPhone. Enter your passwords and tap Erase iPhone to confirm your action. After that, you can set up your iPhone with different choices, like Set up as New, Restore from iCloud Backup, or Restore from iTunes Backup.